Hi loves! Welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. I hope all is well, and for those who's new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Maricel. We are here now at my kitchen and I'm gonna show you how I make my halaya once again, but this time we are gonna be using a purple sweet potato and it's really yummy. So if you wanna see how I make it, come and join me. Alright love, so here's our ingredients. So I do have so I boiled 6 pieces of a purple sweet potato, medium size, and this is already cooked and mashed as well. 1 tablespoon of butter right here, a pinch of salt, we need that, and we only need 3/4 amount of this condensed milk in this can here. We will gonna be using a coconut milk, 1 cup of that one, and we'll be using the whole can, the whole thing of this evaporated milk. And so let's get started. So yeah, we only need 1 cup of this coconut cream in here, and I'm gonna be using the rest of this as our toppings. Just a little bit. So it should be 1 cup. So I'm gonna let this simmer for a few minutes, and then we are going to add on our purple sweet potato. So our coconut cream is ready now. As you can see, it's simmering. So I am going to put and add on our purple yam. And then you make sure you are in a medium heat, like low medium heat. So I made this last year, guys, but I used the ube, the one in the jar. The procedure and the ingredients pretty much the same, so except that we use a purple sweet potato this time. But I'm gonna write down the link below on the description box so you can see it as well. So this is how it looks like right now. By the way, for this amount of sweet potato, I think 1 cup is not enough, so I did add on a 1/4 cup of the coconut cream off the camera. So this is the consistency right now, like a paste, as you could see right here. So now it's time for us to put the evaporated milk. So we are gonna be using the whole can. Yeah, it looks like so you could see the liquid, it's a lot, and the purple sweet potato is not as much, but there will be a transformation later. So making a halaya is required a lot of mixing and patience. So halo lang tayo ng halo and it will dissolve later. Alright love, so this is how it looks like right now. So it's thickened a little bit more. So if the consistency is like this, it is it's about time to put your condensed milk. So now let me tell you this, I don't want my halaya over sweet. Some people, they add on sugar, but I don't. So I know I said that I'm only gonna be using 3/4 amount of the condensed milk in this can, but I'm gonna taste it later if it is needed more or not. But for now, I am only gonna be using 3/4 of this. And one thing also that I want to tell you, that I might gonna add on 1/2 teaspoon of ube flavoring, because I want the purple to show up more. I want it's more colorful, so I might gonna be using this. So any kind of ube flavoring you can use, it's up to you, but this is only optional. But if you want your halaya, the color is like this, so it's totally fine. So it's up to your preference as long as your halaya tastes good. I am just a little picky. I want the color to pop up more. And this is the one I'm talking about. Since I didn't use all the coconut cream, I'm also cooking one in there. So I'm making a lunok. What is lunok in English? I don't know. I'm gonna show you later how it looks like. I know for all those people out there that knows what I'm talking about, that it's normally they put that in biko, the sweet rice. So again, making halaya, there's no definite time, cooking time when it's gonna be done. So this requires again a lot of mixing and just, you know, halo lang ng halo, ganyan. And when if it is cooked and done later, I'll show you the consistency and I'll let you know if it's. So I'm gonna add on now the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding on salt so it will balance the taste. Some people put vanilla extract on this. I can't remember if I've done that before, so it's up to you. I was just giving you an option. So like that, and as what I've said, I'm going to add on a ube flavoring. And my toppings there is going, it's still cooking. And I'm not gonna make this video too long, mga loves. So if it is ready, I'm gonna show you, and that's the time that we can put our butter. Butter add-on enhances the flavor as well, and so that our halaya looks nice. At nagpapakintab siya ng halaya din as well. It's up to you. Alright guys, this is how our halaya looks like right now. It's getting thick, but this is not yet the consistency that we are looking for. And by the way, I added 1/2 teaspoon more of the ube extract, so equivalent to 1 teaspoon. And I am literally mixing this for half an hour now. And this is alright guys, so this is the consistency right now. So if you see that your halaya is like when you mix it, it's separating from the pan. We're almost there, so I literally like been mixing this for an hour now. So now it's time to add on our butter. So let's just add that, and let's just give this a mix. But we're not done. We're probably gonna be cooking this for another few minutes. How long, I do not know, but I'm gonna show you. Alright guys, this should be done by now. You see it's separating now when I'm folding it. By the way, I end up using the whole entire condensed milk, the 1 can, because when I taste them off the camera, it's kinda not enough. So for the 6 piece of medium size of this purple sweet potato, so you'll be needing at least 14 ounces of a, and I'm still working on my lunok for our toppings. I don't know, for some reason the first one that I made doesn't look right. So that one, this probably take, I don't know, maybe 15-20 minutes more, but I'm not worried about that because look at this lunok that I made from that extra coconut cream that we use. This is not the consistency that I want. It's kind of different. It's a little grainy. It's probably depending on the brand of the coconut cream or milk that you are using. So, but this time I use a different one. So we're just gonna be making a different toppings, guys. And speaking of toppings, you can always choose your personal preference. Like you can also use cheese on top of your halaya, and you can also use, sorry I keep moving my camera, you can also use a crushed peanut. Alright love, so here it is. I end up having 2 llaneras here for that amount of 6 pieces of medium size of that purple sweet potato. So this is the one I was talking about. The one earlier, it doesn't look right. So this is our lunok, mga loves, and you see the oil is separating from it. So for those the viewers out there that doesn't know what is this, so this is a coconut cream, and you just have to cook it longer till it. Alright mga loves, so it's testing time. Here we go, there you go. So I made the lunok, the topping some on top perfectly this time. So let's see. Here's the bite. It's so yummy and creamy, and the coconut cream toppings on top, the crunchy. It's kind of crunchy though. The sweetness is just perfect. So you should try this at home, and this is also perfect for negosyo, for business. So I hope you guys learned from this video today, and if you did like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and for those who's new here, please subscribe and like. I'll appreciate that, and that means a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.